they say, say I give you. I bet you help me carry basmati rice, come out. Things are so expensive at the market. So expensive. Do not mind my slack neck or slack clothes. So I just got back from the market. I'm so tired. I bought one bag of rice, and me and my mom has to like share it for the one she's going to sell in the store, while half bag for the house. So we have more than half bag of rice at home before, so I just wanted to add half to it, making it 1.5. Don't know if you understand. So for the basmati rice, I bought it for 90,000 naira. I'm going to be snapping it for you guys. It's okay. Let me show you guys this one. You guys see it. I'm going to snap it so that you guys will see it. Then I also buy. I also bought noodles, and the noodles cost me Indomie chicken, Indomie table, cost me 9,150. So with the list I wrote for our Christmas and New Year shopping. So I just take out rice, and I also take out beans because I bought beans today. So the remaining things that we need to buy for the Christmas shopping is crayfish, catfish, margin, holodia yogurt, nutri choco, vim, set of knife, plate, set of pots, fried rice, veggies, cow leg, tomato paste. I bought beans already, groundnut oil, turkey, chicken, fresh tomatoes and pepper, and spices for cooking. So that is the things that we'll be getting either next week, or I'll get some parts this week, then next week I'm also going to get the other ones. Okay, so I think I'll be going to the I also bought onion. I don't know if I wrote onion here. I also bought onion of 6,000 naira. Onions is now expensive, guys. It's now expensive. So tomorrow I'll be going to Mission Road, where they say wholesales, where they say what is called pot in wholesale. So I'll be getting set of pots, stainless steel. Yeah, is it stainless steel? What is it called? Stainless steel pot. I don't know if that is what it's called. I do not want to get a non-stick pot, because the one I bought last year Christmas, the children, when they are washing, they don't know how to wash it. So I will be getting a stainless steel, like normal pot, but it will be steel. Okay, so I'll be getting that, and a set of knife and set of plates. Which other thing? I think that is all. Yeah, so I'm getting the knife I bought when I was in Abuja. I don't know if you guys remember the set of knife I bought. It wasn't sharp anymore, so I'm going to get another set of knife, and also pot and some plates. So that is what I'll be getting tomorrow, either tomorrow or next tomorrow. I just pray I receive the money I'm expecting. So if I receive the money, I'm going to be going to the market to go buy it. And it is better to go early in the morning because of the sun. the sun. I pity those who stays in Abuja and the northern part of Nigeria. I pity them, because the sun in Benin can fry egg. I'm serious. I'm not joking. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. And I need to also fix my nails. You see, it has shifted. I need to ask my sister to fix my nails. The one I'll be fitting, I'll be inserting it on the screen so that you guys will see it. It's either I will add it to this video that I'm filming, or maybe on my next video. That is it. So I will carry you guys along when I am going to the market tomorrow or next. Maybe this one. Okay, again, I am buy. The anamele ade abi. Only 3 sets in here. This one. This one. Ona mena. Ona bi oni. For sure. Ona polo. They're quite not polo.
I don't want big one like that.
Big one like this.
Too big, a bit too small.
It's too small.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
We will stop gassing a mass about one. This one, firewood. This thing.
I think that's the point inside. The first one, the second one. Okay, that one for 14,000.
The second one.
The second.
That one 14.
That be okay. Can we have out of it now? What? Clark, you want me airport? I know my leg barrier.
How much is it?
Bless her now the same thing as that one be this. Okay, this one I alloy. Well, okay, we're on our air. Would you collect for you? Would you collect for you? Now, it's a price that here and this one be. Give you 40 minutes so one. I want to cut six. Oh? This one. 700. Not be 700. You talk, Abi.
Where it does is 8,000.
Okay. 4,000.
Wait, see the kind of color.
Tropical. Okay. Okay. It's enough. Brown basmati rice. How much?
4,000.
How much last?
4,000.
You told me say 21,000 before yesterday.
Oh, we don't 4,000. See less of 21,000 here. This one I go this seller. This is 21,000. This one 21,000. You pay like 23,000.
Where the tropical is?
Where the tropical is?
24,000.
Why did they tell you that there for sensitivity justice?
For front.
Just say people present now say so now some of sit on here. They tell us we take it for present maybe.
Yes, I don't feel like you.
I wouldn't lie. Not because of money.
They never acquire any Flora.
I said they say good on you.
Yes.
Eka wekula he.
On a ça. Hein? What's about Muzawini?
You don't see me from this side. Now where it directs me? Like one man yesterday, say, okay, where your church? They not send my church with this way. I'm waiting in church. People don't know the church.
Seasons change.